So this video is going to show you how to replace the car remote battery, and this is specific for Mercedes C300 2015, and a lot of newer models will have the same process. Here it's slightly different from the prior models, but it's a very simple process. So first what you do is you remove this this key by just pulling here, and unlocks this, and then so this is how this was in. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is push this in here, and I'm not having my fingers over this little plastic piece. I push it, this lifts this little top part here, and what you'll notice here is it tells you that the replacement battery here needs to be CR2025, which is what you can see right here. And what you'll see here in this particular remote, someone put a 2032 battery in, so it was the incorrect one. So what you would normally do now is you could just shake it out like this, but since the battery that is in here is slightly thicker, the incorrect one, I'll have to use a screwdriver to basically get it out. There you go. So I got the battery out right now. So here's the replacement battery. So this is the correct one, 2025 here that you see. So we'll open this. And we'll remove this. And if you look at the thickness of this battery here, if you look at the thickness, it's slightly thinner. So that was the issue why the other battery had a little bit of a challenge getting out. So all you do is simply look for the positive terminal. Look for this this piece here to be pointing to the top, and then you just insert it simply like this. Push it in. Take the lid. See, it's got a little kind of latches. Little pointy things at the end here. So you put this in here first, like this, and you push it in. Insert the key, and that completes the battery replacement process. So hopefully you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.